Hey everyone, Thomas here from MGMClassicCars.com, and today I have this 1979 Pontiac Trans Am Special Edition car with a build sheet. We just had the car completely painted. It was completed 2022. This is a T-top car, automatic with a 403 engine. It's a numbers matching driveline on the Trans Am. It is a correct Code 19 Starlight Black car and a real special edition car that shows it on the build sheets. So I'm gonna walk the car. There are no blemishes on my paint. It's brand new. We spent 10 grand painting this car. It was a factory black car, and now it's another factory Starlight Black car. The factory, as you can see, the Snowflake gold wheels, Cooper tires, good condition, beautiful shine, beautiful reflection on it, no rust at all on this car. Underneath is very clean as well. T-tops, and yes, I do have the bags for the T-tops. Just a little dust here. The paint is beautiful. Body panels all line up. It appears to be all original sheet metal on the car. Correct tips on the exhaust system. Look at that. Dual sport mirrors. Four-wheel original power disc brakes. I have photos of this car underneath as well, but let me slide the camera. Give you a little bit of an idea. Okay. If you want to see the engine compartment, please refer to my photos. Nice door jambs, nice weather stripping. The interior is all original to the car, showing 48,000 original miles. The shifter, we're gonna have to order a new one, okay? And then this right here, just a little dirt or some kind of glue or something that's on there, but we're gonna try and get that off. Good center console, nice dash pad, gold SE cluster, as you can see. T-tops up on top, seat belts all intact, nice package tray, and nice headliner. Trunk is nice on the car as well. Everything closes real nice. So there's a few things on the Trans Am that are not working right now, and I'll explain those to you. This is a factory power steering car and factory air conditioning car. Right now the air conditioning is not hooked up, and we plan to have everything hooked up and everything working on the Trans Am. So it will go through my service department, and we'll have that going. All right. So for the build sheet, please refer to the photos. I took a photo of it, and you can review it there. If you're looking for financing, and if your credit score is like 625 to 739, go to my website and fill out the application at MGMClassicCars.com. You will need 10% down, and that's for qualified buyers only. For those of you who have a credit score of 740 or higher, go directly to my lender at lightstream.com. Great interest rates, great terms, no prepayment penalty on both credit scores criteria. But again, to qualified buyers only. For those of you who do not need financing and are ready to buy the car, call me, text me, give me your zip code, and I'll get you a quote for driveway delivery. And because we spent a lot of money on this paint job, and it is a special edition car, I believe that this car should be traveling in an enclosed carrier. We are in the month of February here in Illinois, and it's not that pleasant outside. So if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. I want to show you guys what I got coming tomorrow. Anyway, every day I got something going on. We do photos and videos every single day here at MGM Classics. I like explaining the cars to my people, so subscribe to my channel, okay? If you're watching on YouTube, or should I say Facebook, like it, share it. Let's get the collector car market. Let it keep kicking, guys. Look at what this car was priced at 5 years ago, and look what they're priced today. These are tangible investments. Spend some of your money, borrow some money at a low interest rate, and have fun. Life is short. Life is short. What's funner than a real Smokey and the Bandit special edition black gold package car, documented with numbers matching? Pure investment. All right, well, there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful. MGM Classic Cars has over 100 classic cars in stock. We travel the country. We look and look and look for good quality cars. We buy our inventory. We don't consign here. We put our money in good product so we can sell you guys and gals good products. Again, my name's Thomas. My phone number is 847-848-1850. Thank you for watching MGMClassicCars.com.